Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be exploring the top 5 AI tools for businesses in 2023. If you're looking to boost productivity, streamline workflows, and stay ahead of the competition, you don't want to miss this. So buckle up and join us as we dive into these cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping the business landscape. Stay tuned. Pictory is an AI-driven video generator that lets you create and edit high-quality videos with ease. Make videos out of your blog posts for social media or your website, and use text to edit webinars, podcasts, or Zoom recordings. With Pictory, create shareable video highlights and enjoy automatic captioning and summarization. No experience is needed, and it's cloud-based for universal accessibility. Many people think that Jasper is the best AI writing assistant overall because it has the best features and quality on the market. You first provide it with seed words, which Jasper then analyzes before creating phrases, paragraphs, or documents based on the subject matter and tone of voice. It is capable of producing a 1,500-word article in less than 15 minutes. The platform has more than 50 AI content generation templates, including blog posts, emails, marketing copy, Facebook ad generator, Google ad generator, meta title and description, press release, and much more. MUF is made to be easy to use, so even people who don't know much about computers can easily turn text into speech and make high-quality voiceovers. With its easy-to-use interface and options for personalization, it can be used by people of all skill levels. Speechify can turn text in any format into natural-sounding speech. Based on the web, the platform can take PDFs, emails, documents, or articles and turn them into audio that can be listened to instead of read. The tool also enables you to adjust the reading speed, and it has over 30 natural-sounding voices to select from. The software is smart and can tell the difference between more than 15 different languages when processing text. It can also turn scanned printed text into audio that can be heard clearly. Reply is your all-in-one sales engagement platform to create new opportunities at scale while keeping every touchpoint personal. With AI copywriting tools, you can make dozens of different versions of effective copy for your campaigns. It has more than 50 ready-to-use templates, Facebook ads, slogan ideas, blog section writing, and so on. SEO content tools will help create well-researched content using the data from pages already ranking on Google. This is how it works: insert a keyword, and the tool will automatically pull out the top 20 results on Google search, showing data on suggested keywords to use, what topics to cover, what questions to answer, and statistics. As we wrap up our exploration of the top 5 AI tools for businesses in 2023, we hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. By leveraging these innovative technologies, you can stay ahead of the curve and drive your business to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on the latest business trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.